Hello students, welcome to the channel Chemistry for You. In this channel, we are starting chemistry MCQ questions which are helpful for your board exam as well as NEET and JEE point of view. First chapter is haloalkane and haloarenes. From today we are starting MCQ series of haloalkane and haloarene. First question. Which of the following undergo nucleophilic substitution exclusively by SN1 mechanism? First student, you all have to know that what is SN1 mechanism. SN1 mechanism, SN1 unimolecular nucleophilic substitution. In SN1 mechanism, it complete in two steps. In first step, carbocation is formed. First step is carbocation formation. So here four options are given. In first option, benzyl chloride form benzyl carbocation, which is most stable among all three options. So option first is correct answer. Answer is A, because benzyl carbocation is stabilized by resonance. Second question, increasing order of nucleophilicity would be. देखो यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट सबसे पहले देखो हमें हेलोजेंस गिवन है, तो सब बेस्ट लिविंग जो सबसे बेस्ट डोनर होता है वो कौन सा होता है? बिग साइज आयोडीन होता है. सो ऑर्डर ऑफ न्यूक्लियोफिलिसिटी इन इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर इज क्लोरीन ब्रोमीन आयोडीन. ए ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट. I negative is best nucleophile because it can donate electron easily. In question third, this is a simple addition reaction. In this addition reaction, the mechanism is the formation of carbocation. In first step, carbocation is formed. After formation of carbocation, you have to check the rearrangement. If rearrangement is possible in carbocation, then rearrange to 1 degree to 2 degree, 2 degree to 3 degree. In this reaction, intermediate form is carbocation, and in carbocation check rearrangement. Let's see. Here first alkene add proton and form carbocation. This is 2 degree carbocation. This is 2 degree carbocation and rearrange to form 3 degree carbocation, and in this 3 degree carbocation bromide ion attack this, and so option A is correct answer because 3 degree carbocation is most stable. Question 4. Which of the following is most reactive towards SN1? SN1 reaction carbocation is formed, so we have to check the most stable carbocation. So given four option. Option first, since it is 3 degree halide and form 3 degree carbocation, which is stabilized by resonance as well. Question number 5. Correct order of increasing reactivity of carbon halogen bond towards nucleophile in following compound. We know that alkyl halide is more reactive than aryl halide towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. Alkyl halide is more reactive than aryl halide. So third, this is tertiary alkyl halide, it is more reactive. इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में लिखेंगे तो इसको सबसे पहले फर्स्ट आएगा क्लोरोबेंजीन लिस्ट रिएक्टिव, देन सेकंड ऑप्शन, देन थर्ड, देन आपका आएगा फोर्थ ऑप्शन, एंड फाइनली क्या मिलेगा आपको? थर्ड ऑप्शन. सो ऑप्शन सी इज राइट आंसर because third is most reactive due to stability of 3 degree carbocation. Question number 6. Metaxylene. Metaxylene is 1,3-dimethylbenzene. Metaxylene is 1,3-dimethylbenzene. It reacts with bromine in presence of FeBr3. What are the products? First, methyl group present on benzene ring is orthopara directing. But orthopara directing, so option in first option In first option, Br is ortho to methyl. This methyl first and both methyl Br is ortho position, but due to steric hindrance this is less stable. Here second is this is ortho to one methyl and para to other methyl, so it can be formed. Here in second option B, bromine ortho to this and para to this, and second option for B, this is less stable due to steric hindrance. So in option C, this bromine is ortho to this position and para to this methyl, and here ortho and para for both. So option C is the right answer. It is due to steric hindrance this product will be formed. CH3 group is ortho and para directing. Which of the following will undergo racemization when react with aqueous cleavage? So for racemization, we have to chiral molecule. So fourth option is a chiral. Chiral carbon is that carbon which have 4 different group attached to this. So D answer is correct. Question number 8. Reaction of this compound with HBr produce. So here a simple addition reaction. In addition reaction, carbocation is formed. So benzene having CH group, this is formed benzyl carbocation, which is more stable. So product form here is C is the product form. Since its carbocation is stabilized by resonance as well as. Next question है, bromopropane react with NaCN to form नाइट्राइल फॉर्म कर रहा है. यहाँ पे पूछा है इसमें व्हाट in which solvent this reaction is fastest. So this reaction proceed by SN2 reaction, and SN2 reaction non-polar solvent is favor. So ethanol, methanol and water all are A, B and D are polar solvent. C, N and dimethyl formamide is a non-polar solvent. So this reaction is fasted in C, N and dimethyl formamide. So answer C is because it is favored by non-polar solvent. Here question number 10, react with NaNH2 sodamide, what is the product? And also tells the elimination, addition, syn substitution or substitution reaction. First, this reaction is proceeded by benzene intermediate. In this reaction, benzene intermediate is formed, and D answer is the correct answer for this. Here it is a substitution reaction which follow benzene mechanism, correct. First step, here NaNH2 react with this, it forms ammonia and H plus is released from air, and this carbon ion form benzene and bromide ion is leaving group air. So after formation of benzene, NH2, here last is NH2. So D option is the correct answer. Question number 11, a dihalogen derivative X of a hydrocarbon with 3 carbon atom react with alcoholic cleavage and produce hydrocarbon which forms red PPT with ammonical cuprous chloride, and X give aldehyde on reaction with aqueous cleavage. What compound will be the X? So here dihalogen derivative, it can be vicinal dihalide, jam dihalide, but here X give an aldehyde on reaction with aqueous cleavage. It means X, the dihalogen derivative is give aldehyde, so both Cl group are present on same carbon. So this is jam dihalide, that is D option is the correct answer. 1,1-dichloropropane. Let's see. So this is D. 1,1-dichloropropane react with alcoholic KOH. We get dehydrohalogenation. We get propine, which react with cuprous chloride and ammonium hydroxide. We get red PPT. Again, X react with aqueous KOH. We get jamdiol, which is unstable and lose water molecule to form aldehyde. So option D is correct answer. The synthesis of alkyl fluoride is best accomplished by Swart reaction. Alkyl fluoride is prepared by Swart reaction. Finkelstein reaction, iodoalkane is formed, and Sandmeyer this is for aryl halide. So answer is B, Swart reaction. This is alkyl halide, alkyl chloride react with silver fluoride. We get alkyl fluoride is the product. Question number 13. How many chiral compound are possible on monochlorination of 2-methylbutane? First, let's start monochlorination of 2-methylbutane. This is 2-methylbutane. Here there are 5 different hydrogen atom. So on chlorination, in presence of sunlight, we get 4 product. First is by replacing first hydrogen from methyl group from this carbon atom, and let's see, these are 4 product. In 4 product first and product third both have chiral carbon. So answer A, that is 2 chiral compound are possible. Increasing order of reactivity towards SN1. In SN1 carbocation is formed. So in option third benzyl carbocation is most stable. After that first secondary 2 degree carbocation, and here this is 1 degree carbocation in second option. So option B is right answer. 1 degree, 2 degree, and last one is benzyl carbocation. Arrange the following compound in increasing order of their density. Question number 15. Density depends on the molecular weight. So benzene molecular weight is also given in increasing order. Benzene, second one is chlorobenzene, third one is metadichlorobenzene, and fourth one is bromochlorobenzene. So option first is right answer. Higher the molecular weight, higher will be the density. Next question is, what is A in the following reaction? Simple here, this is addition reaction according to Markovnikov rule. So negative part Cl negative goes to such carbon atom which contain lesser number of hydrogen atom. So option C is correct answer. Which of the following alkyl halide will undergo SN1 reaction most readily? SN1 reaction, carbocation is formed. Here all 4 option 3 degree carbocation is formed, but there are different halogen atom, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So C carbon iodine bond length is bigger, so it can easily form carbocation. So D answer is correct. Question number 18. Which of the carbon atom present in the molecule given below are asymmetric? Asymmetric, which have 4 different, the carbon atom which attached with 4 different group. So in carbon first there are only 3 groups attached, so this is not chiral, not asymmetric. In second there are 1 group, second group there are 4 different group, in also third there are 4 different group, and fourth there are 3 different group. So second and third are asymmetric. Question number 19. Which of the following compound will give racemic mixture on nucleophilic substitution by hydroxide ion? Racemic mixture given by the chiral molecule. So option first, it have this carbon have 4 different group, so it form racemic mixture. So 19, question number 19, A option is correct. This is the correct increasing order of boiling point. So here 1 bromoethane, 1 bromopropane, 1 bromobutane, bromobenzene. So boiling point also depends on molecular weight, and also van der Waals forces increase the molecular weight, increasing in van der Waals force of attraction. So option D is correct answer. Higher the molecular weight, higher will be the boiling point. Consider the following reaction and answer the question. In given reaction, this is backside attack, so it is SN2 mechanism. Which of the statement are correct about the reaction? A option is first and fifth both are nucleophile. First, that is hydroxide ion, fifth and chloride ion, both are nucleophile. This is correct statement. In second, B option, in third carbocation is sp3. In third, this carbocation is sp2 hybridized, so this is not sp3. And option third, in third carbon atom is sp2 hybridized, this is correct statement. So, and last statement is 1 and 5th both are electrophile, this is wrong, both are nucleophile. So A and C is the correct answer. Consider the following reaction and answer the question. Here in third, Cl is replaced by OH, and this is same configuration. Second and third have same configuration. So first, same configuration, that is no backside attack, that is SN1, it can be from either side. So A option is incorrect. B option, second and third have opposite configuration, this is also incorrect because second and third have same configuration. C option is correct. And D, the given reaction follow SN1 mechanism, this is also correct. So C and D answer is correct. So here this is C and D. Change this is C and D. Because this is not SN2, this is SN1, this follow SN1 reaction. Next is here hydroxide ion is attacked backside, so backside attack, that is SN2 reaction. Correct statement पूछा है इसमें. Intermediate third is unstable because in this carbon is attached to 5 atom. This is correct because intermediate is unstable. Intermediate third is unstable because carbon atom is sp2 hybridized. This is not correct. Unstable is due to presence of 5 different groups, not for hybridization. Intermediate third is stable because of sp2 hybridization. This is also wrong. Intermediate third is less stable than the reactant. Intermediate is less stable than reactant and product, so this is correct statement. So A and D is correct statement. Next one is in this question, hydroxide ion attached where chloride is removed, so this is same configuration, not backside. So this reaction also SN1 mechanism, follow SN1 mechanism, that is D answer is correct. And SN1 carbocation is formed, A also is correct. Here OH will attach substrate second from one side and chloride will leave simultaneously. This is for SN2, not for SN1. C option is an unstable intermediate will be formed in which OH negative and Cl will be attached by, this is also incorrect. So A and D is correct statement. Which of the following statements are correct about kinetics of this reaction? First, let's see what is this is SN1 or SN2. So here chlorine is removed and OH is attached to this position. So this is for SN1 and SN1 reaction molecularity is 1. and molecularity is 1, and it depends on the concentration of reactant, that is alkyl halide concentration, it will dependent. So option first and A and C are correct. Question number 26. Haloalkane contain halogen atom which is sp3 hybridized. So 2-bromopentane, this is sp3 hybridized carbon having halogen atom. In B option, this is vinyl chloride sp2 hybridized carbon atom. In 2-chloroacetophenone, also chlorine having chlorine attached with sp2 carbon. And the last one is D, trichloromethane, 3 chlorine group are attached to sp3 carbon atom. So A and D are correct. 27. Ethylene chloride and ethylidene chloride are isomers. Identify the correct statement. Ethylene chloride and ethylidene chloride are isomers. Both compound, let's see. This is first CH3CHCl2. This is ethylidene chloride. React with KOH alcoholic, we get ethine. This is ethylene chloride. React with alcoholic KOH, we get same product ethine. So first option A, both the compound form same product with treatment with alcoholic KOH. Second, both compound form same product on treatment with aqueous NaOH. This is wrong. With aqueous NaOH, first compound, this is form CH3CHCl2 form aldehyde, and this form vicinal dialcohol form करेगा. Both the compound form same product on reduction. On reduction, both compound form same product. Both the compound are optically active. This is wrong. Both compound are optically inactive. So 27 answer is A and C. Match the following compound. Chloramphenicol. This is a antibiotic, broad spectrum antibiotic, and it is used in typhoid fever. Thyroxine hormone deficiency, goiter disease is formed. So thyroxine, goiter. Chloroquine is given to malaria patient, and chloroform is a anesthetic. So right matching is this. 29. Match the following. SN1 reaction. In SN1 reaction, racemization occur. So A third. Chemical in fire extinguisher, chlorobromocarbons. Fifth option. Bromination of alkene. Bromination of alkene give vicinal dibromide, and alkylidene halides is ZAM dihalide. Elimination of HX from alkyl halide according to Sejeff rule. This is the correct matching. Match the following. First, chlorobenzene react with chlorine. This is aromatic electrophilic substitution. So A is second. B, this is simple addition reaction, electrophilic addition reaction. Fourth, B fourth. C, iodine is replaced by OH. So this is nucleophilic substitution reaction. C fifth. D, Cl nucleophile is replaced by OH nucleophile. So this is nucleophilic aromatic substitution. D for 1. And last one is E, alcoholic KOH elimination. So Sejeff elimination. E is for third, Sejeff elimination. This is correct matching. Question number 31 to 35 is adsorption region based question. For A option, for adsorption region both are correct and region is correct. Explanation of adsorption. B option, adsorption region both are wrong statement. C option, for adsorption correct but region is wrong statement. And D for adsorption wrong but region is correct. And E for adsorption region both are correct but region is not correct. Explanation of adsorption. So in question number 31, adsorption is given. KCN react with methyl chloride to give methyl isocyanide. KCN react with methyl chloride, it gives nitrile, not isocyanide. So adsorption is wrong. Adsorption is wrong. So D, maybe D answer. Cyanide is an ambident nucleophile. Region is correct statement. So question number 31, D is the answer. Question number 32. Tertiary bromide undergo Woods reaction to give 2,2,3,3 tetramethyl butane. Reason है, in Woods reaction alkyl halide react with sodium in dry ether to give hydrocarbon containing double the number of carbon atom present in halide. So both assertion and reason are correct, and assertion is well explained the assertion. And this is the example. So answer is A. Next question. Presence of nitro group at ortho or para position increase the reactivity of haloarenes towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. This is correct statement. Nitro group increase the reactivity. Reason, nitro group being an electron withdrawing group. This is correct. Nitro NO2 group is electron withdrawing group, decrease the electron density over the benzene ring. So A answer is the correct. Assertion, in monohaloarenes further electrophilic substitution occur at ortho and para position. In monohaloarenes, that is chlorobenzene, electrophilic substitution reaction, further electrophilic substitution reaction occur at ortho and para position, because chlorine, due to resonance, chlorine is ortho para director. But reason given here is halogen atom is ring deactivator. So it is not explained. So answer is E. Both are correct, but reason is not explanation of assertion. Question number 35. Aryl iodide can prepared by reaction of arene with iodine in presence of an oxidizing agent. This is correct. Aryl iodide can be prepared by reaction of arene with iodine. But here reason is given oxidizing agent oxidize Hi into I2. Neither nor. Oxidizing agent oxidize करेगा यहाँ पे Hi into I2, not I2 into Hi. So reason is wrong. Question number 36. Chloromethane on treatment with excess of ammonia gave methenamine. Isomer of C4H9Br optically active, which have chiral carbon, that is 4 different group attached. So here this is the answer. This isomer is optically active. Out of chlorobenzene, chlorotoluene, metachlorotoluene least reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. So least reactive towards nucleophilic substitution is orthochlorotoluene, because methyl group is electron releasing, it decrease reactivity towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. Question number 39. 3-methyl pent-2-ene on reaction with HBr in presence of peroxide form an addition product. This is the given this is the reaction here. Peroxide HBr react in presence of peroxide, we get this product. In this product there are two chiral center. So number of stereoisomer possible here is number of stereoisomer 2 to the power n, and here is the number of chiral at carbon. So number of stereoisomer 2 to the power n. So answer is D, that is 2 to the power 2, that is 4. So D answer is the correct. Question number 40. NH2 methyl aniline, paramethyl aniline react with NaNO2HCl. This form nitrous acid. So D form here is the diazonium chloride, paramethyl diazonium chloride, which react with CuCN, we get Cn. This is the product. A is the product. Toluene react with bromine in presence of sunlight. This is free radical substitution reaction. So it form benzyl bromide. Toluene react with bromine in presence of sunlight. Product is benzyl bromide, C. Question number 42. This is here CCl3 is a electron withdrawing group, and this is meta director. It direct incoming electrophile, that is Cl, to meta position. So answer D is correct. Question number 43. Reactant and sodium diether. What is the X? Here this is the internal Woods reaction. So it form bicyclic compound. Chlorine, both chlorine bromine are removed and both bromine chlorine. This is a bicyclic compound. That is D. Answer is the product. It is internal Woods reaction will form bicyclo-1,1,0-butane. Question number 44. Biphenyl react with chlorine in presence of Lewis acid. So it form chlorine at a para position here or here. Again reacting with chlorine, it also form chlorine at a para position. So B answer is correct because this product is stable due to less steric hindrance. Order of reactivity of alcohol with halogen acid. Alcohol reactivity is 3 degree. Alcohol is more reactive than 2 degree than 1 degree. So right answer is D. Because 3 degree alcohol form 3 degree carbocation. Question number 46. A primary alkyl halide would prefer to undergo SN2 because in SN2 reaction nucleophile attack from backside. So in backside less steric hindrance is there. So 46 answer is B. In 47, which of the following structure is enantiomeric with the molecule A? Here A enantiomer which are mirror image but not superimposable. So right answer is A. Mirror image but non superimposable. Question number 48. Aniline react with nitrous acid to form diazonium salt, benzene diazonium salt, which is react with cuprous chloride to form chlorobenzene. So answer A, that is Sandmeyer reaction. This is the example of Sandmeyer reaction. Alkyl halide are prepared from alcohol by treating with HCl ZnCl2. This is correct also. Red phosphorus bromine, this is also correct. But C, not, because Hi form air, this is a strong reducing agent. So reduce alcohol to alkane. So A and B are correct. Alkyl chloride are synthesized by heating an alkyl chloride or bromide in presence of, this is for Swart reaction. In Swart reaction we can use COF2, Hg2F2 और SbF3, antimony fluoride use कर सकते हैं. So B and C is the correct answer. In 51, which of the following compound can be classified as aryl halide? Aryl halide are those compound in which halogen is directly attached to aromatic system. So in here first A, chlorine is attached with benzene ring. B, chlorine is not on benzene ring, so this is not aryl. C, bromine attached to CS2 not benzene ring, this is not aryl halide. D, chlorine attached directly with benzene ring. So A and D are aryl halide. Match the following. Here this is aryl halide react with alkyl halide. We get a alkyl benzene, sorry. We get a alkyl benzene. This is for Woods-Fittig reaction. So A is second. In second, aryl halide react with sodium in presence of dry ether. We get a diphenyl, that is Fittig reaction. B is Fittig reaction. C, diazonium salt react with Cu2X2. We get a aryl halide, that is Sandmeyer reaction. And last D1 is, this is alkyl halide react with sodium iodide in presence of dry acetone, that is Finkelstein reaction. So D4 third. So answer is given here. Question number 53. Same adsorption region question. Adsorption here given is, it is difficult to replace chlorine by OH in chlorobenzene in comparison to chloroethane. That is correct because aryl halide is less reactive. Chlorine carbon bond in chlorobenzene has partial double bond character due to resonance. That is the correct explanation. So A answer is correct. Adsorption hydrolysis of 2-bromo-octane proceed with inversion of configuration. Inversion of configuration, that is SN2 reaction, and SN2 reaction there are no formation of carbocation. Adsorption is right statement, correct statement, but reason is wrong. Adsorption is correct but reason is wrong. So answer is C. Adsorption nitration of chlorobenzene leads to formation of meta nitrochlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene, if we take a chlorobenzene and for nitration of chlorobenzene, the nitro group is attached to para position, ortho and para position, not a meta position. So assertion is wrong. Reason NO2 group is meta directing. This is correct. NO2 group is meta directing, but Cl group is ortho para directing. So answer is D. Assertion wrong, but reason is correct statement. Question number 56. Out of chlorobenzene, parachloro, nitrobenzene, 2,4,6 trinitrobenzene most reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction, that is 2,4,6 trinitrobenzene, because nitro group increase the reactivity. Thank you.